Falls Jazz and Blues presents Jazz Fest 2012, July 26th through the 28th at Yankton Trail Park. Featuring J.J. Gray and Bullflow, Soul Live, Robert Randolph and the Family Band. And Mid-Continent Communications presents Joe Walsh. Sponsored in part by Miller Lite, BillionAuto.com, Hy-Vee Wine and Spirits, Results Radio, and Sioux Falls Jazz and Blues. The Sioux Falls Air Show Committee offers up a very special thank you to all of the members of the South Dakota Air National Guard. Without their assistance this past year, your air show today would not have been possible. The South Dakota Air National Guard is under the direction of Brigadier General Wayne Shanks, and the 114th Fighter Wing is under the direction of Colonel Russ Walls. The Sioux Falls Air Show Committee members who have worked very hard this past year to bring you Air Show 2012 are Co-Chairman Craig Hagan from NAIA Sioux Falls Commercial Real Estate and Larry Ritz, retired from Ide Bailey. Vice Chairman and Treasurer is Chuck Nelson from Nelson & Nelson CPAs. Secretary is David Holman, retired Brigadier General from the South Dakota Air National Guard, along with Ronald Milkey from TSP and Rick Tupper from Augustana College. The Air Show Board of Directors for 2012 are Rod Carlson from Sanford Health, Comet Haraldson from Woods, Fuller, Schultz & Smith, Lisa Hirsch from Spirit Airlines, D.K. Kohler, retired from the South Dakota Air National Guard, Jeff Oliver from Dakota King, Richard Smith, retired from Business Aviation, Bernie Tyrell from Automania, and Bruce Eide from Bird Eide Motors. A very special thank you to the Sioux Falls Air Show Committee members who have spent so much volunteer time this past year to bring you today's air show.
In order to bring you the free air show here in Sioux Falls, a number of local businesses have made a financial commitment so that you can enjoy what most communities do not have. Our major ACE sponsors are First Premier Bank Card, and Sioux Falls Airport Authority. Our Top Gun sponsors are Mid-Continent Communications, Poet Companies, and Caravan TV. The Fighter Pilot sponsors are Burn Ida Motor Cars, Courtyard by Marriott, Hilton Garden Inn, Spring Hill Suites by Marriott. And our Bonner Pilot sponsors are First Bank and Trust, First National Bank in Sioux Falls, Sanford Health, SDF Communications, Skinner Appearance Technologies, and Wells Fargo Advisors. Again, a special thank you for the sponsors who have made today's air show possible.
We ask that everyone keep simple items in mind. Safety is our top priority this weekend for our guests, our performers, and our airplanes. There are fences up on the roof for your safety. We ask that you please use plenty of water today while you're walking around, and make sure that everyone stays hydrated all day, especially the children.
There's a Mystic tent available near the food booth. It is located on the east side of the food booths on the concrete. If you need a quick way to cool down, the Mystic tent is a perfect way to do so. Do not leave anything unattended. This includes lawn chairs and umbrellas. Unattended items are subject to removal. Smoking is not allowed anywhere on the field this weekend. We ask your cooperation with this. If you are here with the group, take a moment to select a meeting spot in case you become separated.
If you're a child that has lost sight of the adults in your group, please find someone wearing a uniform or a Sioux Falls Air Show shirt. We'll assist you in locating the adults you came here with. If you're an adult who has lost sight of a child from your group, we ask that you make your way to the base of the announcer's stand, which is Air Show Center. A lost and found booth is set up to assist you. There are first aid tents on the field this weekend. They're marked with a large red cross. If you feel a need for medical assistance, we encourage you to seek their help immediately.
While looking at the airplanes on display, please refrain from touching them or placing your children on them as a courtesy to the owners. The field that you are on has been mowed for better walking, and every attempt has been made to fill in the holes that fields have a tendency to have. However, we ask that you all please watch where you are walking while on the grassy area. Shopping news programs are free of charge, and stands are set up on the field. Please be considerate of others and only take the number of programs that you actually need. Along with the free programs, there are some beautiful souvenir programs that are being sold on the field and near the bus pickup and drop-off points. There are many young volunteers walking around with these programs, an excellent way to remember today's show.